Okay, I'm going to demonstrate after you're done with this one. I have two on the thermometer, how to clean it up. So first I took this one earlier today. I will just empty it. I'm gonna give it a rinse, quick rinse. And after this one, you can put it on the dishwasher. I suggest you hold it, not upside down somehow. Quick cleanup. It's dishwasher-safe, so this is American oak chips. So as you can see, it's a number of chips. First one is done. Take the second one. This is a granulated chip, so you empty this one here. It's done. The fermentation is done. So turn it upside down. And a quick rinse here. It's a little messy, as you can see. Another cleanup. And flip it. It's very flexible, as you can see. And then ready for the dishwasher. The third one would be on the PET cardboard, same material. It's a granular oak, and then you just empty it. It's been in the cardboard for a few days, so it's gonna be interesting to try it out. And then you can give it a nice rinse. Once you rinse it, you can see, and then it's gonna go into the dishwasher. And I will show how it comes out of the dishwasher once we're done on the side. I'm gonna put it on the dishwasher, as you can see. I have the dishwasher over here, a top rack, and I will demonstrate how they come out. Okay, thank you. After each use, some of them may become stained. It's normal. You should always sanitize and rinse them before and after each use. So we're gonna do some washing and cleaning, and I'll show you how they look like after. I left them in the Star San solution for 5 minutes, if so. So the stain that we had on this one is completely gone. I'm gonna rinse it and we'll see how it looks like after. It was left dry with oak chips. Looks like new. The small one, if you want to see it, a quick rinse here. Very clean. Okay, we put the Monster strainer and the mini strainer on the sanitizing solution. This is one-step sanitizing, and this is a Star San. We will do more tests and videotape those later on, but I want to show these ones. We left them here 24 hours just to see if how they clean it up and if they reacted to this sanitizer. You can see these ones were stained after the oak chips, and then they're quite clean. So you rinse them. They are dishwasher-safe, top rack. You can put them onto your washing machine and dryer. We found out the best way to clean them is just rinse them, flip them. If they were like this, you can flip them, and then you can give them a good rinse, and then put them in sanitizing solution, and then rinse them back again. I don't see any issues with them. These are the ones with Star San. They are very clean, as you can see. And this one is the one-step sanitizer. So again, they were quite stained, and they are very clean now. You can see them. Okay, a good rinse. And should be ready to go again.